Hi, നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് വന്നേക്കുന്നത് ബാംഗ്ലൂരിൽ തന്നെ വൺ ഓഫ് ദ ബെസ്റ്റ് മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജ് ആയ രാജരാജേശ്വരി മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജിലാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ മെഡിക്കൽ കരിയർ സേഫ് ആക്കാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറ്റിയ ബെസ്റ്റ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ആണ് ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് കാണിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് രാജരാജേശ്വരി മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജ്. അപ്പോൾ കോളേജ് മൊത്തത്തിൽ ഒന്ന് കണ്ടല്ലോ. വാ.
The institution has made a mark in the field of medical education and healthcare. The institution, known for its quality work and service, has been awarded with prestigious NAAC A-grade accreditation and NABH accreditation. It has received ISO 9001-2015 certification and has been certified by IAO USA and HLACT UK institutions. Rajarajeswari Medical College is an educational hub to thousands of medical students who are taking education in medical sciences in various departments. This spacious, well-ventilated and audio-visual equipped lecture halls and classrooms are designed to provide space for CMEs and training sessions for the doctors, students, staffs and nurses and technicians. Library is a treasure trove of knowledge. The spacious 45,000 square foot library houses more than 22,000 books with all the modern amenities with 2 working shifts, enabling everyone to access the facility after working hours. Rajarajeswari Medical College and Hospital has extensively engaged in medical research with emphasis on enhancement of knowledge and skills. The college has state-of-the-art central research laboratory with qualified and trained personnel. The medical college leaves no stone unturned when it comes to giving quality education. Along with theoretical knowledge, practical exposure ensures that imparting of education is complete. All the departments in the college have completely functional labs. This ascertains the fact that the process of acquiring skills leaves no gaps. Rajarajeswari Medical College and Hospital is also home to medical museums with over 350 dissected specimens and more than 1,000 models that enable the doctors to add an extra dimension to medical services. With its world-class infrastructure, specialty and super specialty departments like cardiothoracic vascular surgery, nephrology, neurology, plastic surgery and pediatric surgery, the hospital is well on its way to be the one-stop destination for all healthcare services. At Rajarajeswari Hospitals, we believe in the integration of advanced medical practices and competent manpower resources. The hospital, with its vast expanse of 7 floors, has accommodated the labs, support services and departments. With highly accomplished doctors and its great track record of success, it has proved its mettle, resulting in large number of people coming for all kinds of illnesses for taking treatment. The clinical departments in the hospital are well equipped with latest technology, apparatus, updated instruments, dedicated doctors and surgeons, and skilled nurses and technicians. In this era of starting from primary to tertiary, care is given at very reasonable prices, offering a ray of hope to the deprived sections of society. Expert doctors and medical personnel are available round the clock to give you the best of medical care for all types of emergencies through the casualty department. The hospital has 1,420 beds, comprising of men, women and children wards with committed professionals. Senior doctors and specialists address all issues concerning the inpatients, providing necessary treatment and guidance. Rajarajeswari Hospital has a wide range of best and latest cutting-edge technology instruments which fully complement the clinical care. The fully modular operation theatres in the hospital are equipped with the most advanced systems and devices. Highly experienced, top-notch surgeons undertake complex surgeries in a spectrum of specialties, thus helping the patients to get the best clinical care. The hospital has taken giant strides in the area of intensive care and has the most advanced facilities comparable with the best in the world. The ICUs constitute the pride of the hospital healthcare delivery. At Rajarajeswari, focus is on super specialty healthcare, which has resulted in innumerable cath lab procedures in the cardiology department. A team of specialists and trained support staff ensure that the patients get the best tertiary care without any compromise. The respiratory medicine department is facilitated with bronchoscope, thoracoscope, diffusing lung capacity for carbon monoxide (DLCO), fractional exhaled nitric oxide (FeNO), FeNO, all installed to effectively assess, monitor and treat numerous lung-related ailments. The annexure building with a radiology department has the most sophisticated diagnostic equipment which are at par with international standards. CT scan 128 slices, first of its kind to be installed in Southeast Asia. MRI scan 1.5 Tesla, modern ultrasound and X-ray facilities provide accurate diagnosis to the patients. Newly added digital mammography unit at the radiology department is used for breast imaging, which helps in accurate detection of cancer cells. Extracorporeal shock wave lithotripsy (ESWL) is added to the urology department, a completely non-invasive therapy to break up stones within the kidney and ureter. Endoscopy equipments aid the Department of Surgery with an accurate imaging of the organs. Skilled staffed physiotherapy department helps in the rehabilitation process. The Department of Dermatology is affixed with the latest technology equipment, diode laser and Q-switched laser, which are used for laser hair removal, tattoo removal, laser toning and facial hyperpigmentation. The Ophthalmology department is equipped with high-tech apparatus like perimeter and non-contact tonometer (NCT), which aids in glaucoma diagnosis and monitoring. Audiometry, OAE and tympanometry and high-end endoscopic cameras installed at the ENT department gives us an edge to monitor and cure a wide range of diseases relating to ear, nose and the throat. The hospital has adopted over 25 villages and has reached out to more than 900 villages with various community outreach programs for the needy people through rural healthcare training centers and primary healthcare centers. Rajarajeswari Medical Hospital has a diabetic center for children of all ages and also provides them free kits. The well-stocked pharmacy in the hospital works around the clock. The in-house blood bank proves to be a boon for emergencies and patients can have access to all blood types 24/7. The hospital has a wide range of round-the-clock laboratory infrastructure with skilled staff providing prompt service to the patients. Certainly, these sophisticated labs with cutting-edge technology form the backbone of our healthcare delivery. The dialysis wing in the hospital is providing the services to the poor and the deprived at the most economical prices. Fully equipped ambulance services is a key facility provided by the hospital round the clock for any emergency. The CSSD and laundry departments take care of the cleaning needs of the hospital with emphasis on hygiene and safety. Rajarajeswari Medical College and Hospital houses multi-cuisine, nutritional cafeteria for students and the staff. The Rajarajeswari campus life is a place where you can get best of both worlds as you put yourself through the rigors of academics and also unwind yourself with recreational activities. The students find the campus life to be fun, exciting and challenging that shapes them to be the future medical professionals ready to take on the world. Round-the-clock, state-of-the-art gym facilities, separate sessions for men and women, comes with all exercise equipment that can cater to fitness. A great space and opportunity where students and doctors alike can unwind and recharge. A spectacular cricket ground and separate swimming pools for boys and girls. The college auditorium provides the necessary platform to students to showcase their skills on stage. It is also used for indoor sports as an examination hall and is also a place for many national and international conferences that are held regularly. The college has a fleet of 22 buses and 2 battery-operated vehicles for in-house movement. Astounding contribution of our founder Chancellor, Dr. A.C. Shanmugam in medical education and healthcare services. Recently, Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons of Glasgow, UK, conferred the prestigious honorary fellowship FRCPS to the chairman. The admission ceremony was held in Bangalore, and then the award was presented at the prestigious Bute Hall in London. Incidentally, he is only the second non-medical Indian to have received this honor in the 400 years legacy. He has also been the recipient of honorary fellowship from IMSA. Many notable personalities of the nation have been drawn to see the work of the trust and the leadership of Dr. A.C. Shanmugam. Rajarajeswari Medical College and Hospital's core strength is our students. Our UG, PG and super specialty students have brought laurels to our institutions. Many of our graduate students have gone out to make a profound professional impact outside by being torch bearers. Rajarajeswari Medical College and Hospital today is one of the premier institutions in the country with enormous potential to grow. Be it medical education or healthcare services, we are on a trailblazing path. Our alumni and students are our best brand ambassadors. Rajarajeswari Medical College and Hospital boasts of superlative infrastructure, fabulous manpower resources and great brand name. We are very positive that the institution will create a niche for itself in the coming days, under the leadership of our beloved founder Chancellor, Dr. A.C. Shanmugam.
അങ്ങനെ രാജരാജേശ്വരി മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജ് നിങ്ങൾ മൊത്തം കണ്ടു. ഇത്രയും ഫെസിലിറ്റീസ് ഉള്ള ഒരു മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജ്, അത് ഇത്രയും മലയാളി കുട്ടികൾ പഠിക്കണം, ഇത്രയും ഫെസിലിറ്റി നൽകുന്ന, അത് നമുക്ക് ട്രാൻസ്പോർട്ടേഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ യാതൊരുവിധ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടില്ല. മെട്രോ വരെ നമുക്ക് നിയറസ്റ്റ് തന്നെ ഉള്ളൊരു ക്യാമ്പസാണ് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്നവർക്കാണെങ്കിലും എവിടുന്ന് വരുന്നവർക്കാണെങ്കിലും ബാംഗ്ലൂരിൽ ഇത്രയും ഫെസിലിറ്റി നൽകുന്ന ഒരു ക്യാമ്പസ് അധികം ഇല്ല. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജ്, അത് ബഡ്ജറ്റും മറ്റ് മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജിനെ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് ബഡ്ജറ്റും ഫീസും ഒക്കെ കുറച്ചുകൂടെ കമ്പാരിറ്റീവ്ലി കുറവാണ്. ഒരുപാട് കുറവെന്നല്ല, കമ്പാരിറ്റീവ്ലി കുറവാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം വളരെ കുറവാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ നോക്കുമ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു മെഡിക്കൽ കരിയർ ബിൽഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ രാജരാജേശ്വരി ബെസ്റ്റ് ഓപ്ഷനാണ്. നിങ്ങളിവിടെ പഠിക്കാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നവർക്ക് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഞങ്ങളെ വിളിക്കാം. ഞങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവിധ ഗൈഡൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവും. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഡ്മിഷൻ പ്രൊസീജിയറിനാവട്ടെ, സ്കോളർഷിപ്പിനാവട്ടെ, എല്ലാത്തിനും നിങ്ങളോടൊപ്പം നമ്മളുണ്ടാവും. നിങ്ങൾ അഡ്മിഷൻ എടുക്കാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നവർക്ക് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഞങ്ങളെ വിളിക്കുക. താഴെ കാണുന്ന നമ്പർ വിളിക്കുക. വി ആർ ഹിയർ ടു ഗൈഡ് യു.